Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix screen resolution problem in Windows 11. And here is the full guide to fixing screen resolution problem in Windows 11, and here I am going to give you a step-by-step guideline. This problem can show up as a blurry display, stretchy screen, black bars, or inability to set the correct resolution. So let's dive into the main topic. So I'm going to make a quick tutorial, so watch the video till the end. So first of all, I'm going to talk about check display cable and monitor. In your computer setup, you will find out various kind of connection where your cable maybe have some problem. So if you make sure that your cable is properly connected with your computer, then it may be solve the issue for your display cable and monitor. So you can try another cable or port if available. Test the monitor with another device to rule out hardware issues. So find out the problem. So this is the method. And if I talk about second, that change display resolution in setting. In here, just click over here, and once you click over here, you will have various options. So just click over here, and then you will find out display resolution, like in display setting, and here you can see the option for change display resolution. From setting, you are allowed to do it. Then if you think there is not a problem like this, so maybe the problem will be update graphic drives. So outdated or missing driver cause most resolution issue, like automatic method. Press Windows in +X, just click over here, and you will get various device manager option. Here you need to be click on device manager. On right click your GPU, you can see we have bunch of options. Here you need to click on GPU. For example, it may be Intel, AMD, or Nvidia. It's totally up to you which one are you going to use, or are you already set up on your phone. So here you need to be find out. I am using Nvidia, so let's check it out. And where is the one? And once you find out, then you can download the drives again. So in this way you can overcome the issue. Then if I talk about the phone number problem, then it will be install monitor device if applicable. So it is not mandatory. Some high resolution monitors device need drives like drivers. So go to your monitor manufacturer website, search for your model, and download the Windows 11 drivers and install and restart your PC. In this way you can again overcome the issue easily. Next issue, use display adapter setting. So sometimes the Windows setting don't show all resolution. In display setting, scroll down and click advanced display. So you can go do it by your own by clicking over here. So the process is really simple. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question related to this video, you are allowed to question me on the comment box. I will give you all those questions answered. So after all, let's wrap it up here. And if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.